Emergency room service.
Hello, can I have the ambulance, please? My husband's holding himself.
Ambulance, thank you.
Yes, please. Fine, I'll get him on.
Currently receiving a high volume.
Hello, can I have the ambulance, please? My husband's hung himself.
Okay.
And my husband's dead, like, on a level.
Okay, my darling. Okay. I know, my darling. I know. I'm going to get some help arranged. I'm going to get some help arranged, okay?
Just give me skate compression, it's purple.
Okay. Absolutely brilliant. Push. Come on, my darling. You've got this.
You idiot! Sorry, my wife is disabled.
Come on, my darling.
Come
on.
Well, then just wake him up. Just wake him up.
Amy, do you want to go with my mate there?
Yeah, received.
Come on,
Just wake him up, please. I know, darling. Come in here. Come on. Let's go into... No, where? Speak to your dad, okay? Speak to your dad.
Yeah,
No, it's just because there's a lot of things going on at the minute.
I need to ring Dad, I'll call you in a bit. And the police have told me to come in. Has he got a pulse or what?
I don't think
Because his heart's moving, so is there a chance that he will survive this stupidity?
I don't know, mate. That's why all the medical professionals are in there at the minute. Okay.
They're still jumping on him.
I'm not going to look. I have been in there, but I'd rather stay with you. Okay?
I've saved him so many times. I've been sitting here playing music, drinking, just telling him to go himself, thinking that he's not here, that he's on the way to his girlfriend's. I've been literally sat here thinking the most horriblest things about him. He's probably his girlfriend, he's probably this, he's probably that. But he said he was at my back door.
You are now under arrest on suspicion of murder.
What?
You don't have to say anything, but
This is on the basis of a post-mortem today and an update from the post-mortem.